Hello everybody, Ron Wheeler here. I'm the manager of options trading here at VectorVest, and I want to show you a very nice, easy income trade that we place almost every week, and one of the trades that we teach in our options paycheck class. So come along and I'll show you how we do it. All right, first for this trade, we'll just use the SPX, which is the index that tracks the S&P 500. It's really great for a beginner trade because there's a lot of liquidity on this option. There's options that expire every week, and it's just a very simple trade that also doesn't have to worry about market direction. The market can go up, it can go down, and this trade historically will work at a very high percentage of the time. So what I'll do is, the concept for this is I'm going to go up here somewhere and I'm going to sell some options, and I'm going to go down here somewhere and sell some options. Now the way that we do this, of course, is there's a method for it and there's a whole system that goes into this, but it's a very simple trade. And I'll just open up my broker account. I happen to use Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade, but any broker will work. It doesn't really make a difference. What we're going to do is we'll click on Trade. I already have my SPX options loaded up here. Now what I'm looking for is a sweet spot. I want to find something around 45 days to expiration, and here it is right here. I go ahead and open that up. I'm going to scroll on down here till I find just the right option to sell, and I do this based off of the delta. So we'll sell this option right here at 26.80. We will go up and buy some protection at 26.70. Then we're going to do the other side of that trade, right about here to the 30.15. And then right down here to the 30.25. Now, this trade is going to bring in about $400 per contract. Now, if I trade this on one, that'll bring in about $400, $385 with a max risk of $615. That's not the true risk that you're going to have if you actually take this trade, because we have a concept that we'll teach to get out of this trade early. No mitigation, no adjustments, just a very simple trade. Now, if you're trading a larger sized account, you can trade more contracts. It's completely up to you. You size it to what you trade. So let's just place this trade on one contract. Go ahead and click Confirm and Send. And you can see it right up here in my Monitor tab. Now, once that trade gets filled, we sold it for $3.85. What my goal is I want to buy that back for 50% of what I sold it for. So we would just take a $3.85, divide it by 2, and we would be getting out of this trade at about $1.90. That's right there in the middle, and once we're filled, we would place that order, and you're done. That's all you have to do to place this income trade. You just take a look at the market in the morning, place the trade, and you're done. Up, down, sideways, makes no difference. It's a very simple index trade that we can place every week. Once you learn the system, placing these income trades really only takes a few minutes of your day. If you want to learn how to do these trades, I put together a step-by-step program called the Options Paycheck. There's no other course on the market quite like it, and it'll walk you through from beginning to end every step of the way. So just click on the link over here, or go to www.optionspaycheck.com to get registered. Registration is only open for a few more days, and I only open it a few times per year, so get in now and start creating that income system that you can use for the rest of your life. I'll be there live each week with you to implement the system and teach it so you can get results very, very quickly, and I hope to see all of you in our Options Paycheck class.